Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel, Cooking with me, Chef Quee. It's Cookmas Day 6 and we are making a yummy sweet potato casserole. Before we get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone you know, and let's cook. Alright guys, so let's get started. So I have my sweet potatoes here. I'm going to give them a quick wash. Then I'm going to pierce them with a fork or a knife. This is just going to allow the steam to escape while they're baking. Now we're going to bake our potatoes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes or until they're nice and tender. Alright, here we are about an hour and 15 minutes later. We're going to allow them to cool down a bit before we start handling them. Our potatoes are cool, so I'm going to peel the skin off and dump them right into a bowl. Alright guys, to the bowl of my stand mixer, I'm going to add the sweet potatoes in. I'm going to use my whisk attachments to help mash these babies right on up until they're nice and smooth. I'm going to stop and scrape the bowl down. I'm also going to rinse off my whisk attachment to get rid of these little stringies that you see there. I'm going to repeat this process about 2 more times. Alright, so I got most of the strings out. So now I'm going to go in with some melted butter, granulated and light brown sugar, an egg, vanilla extract, ground cinnamon and nutmeg, a pinch of salt to balance out the sweetness, fresh squeezed lemon juice, and some flour. And we're going to mix all of this together to combine. Alright, our mixture is well combined, so we're going to add it into a greased baking dish and we're going to spread it out evenly. Then we'll be ready to work on our pecan streusel topping. Alright guys, our streusel topping is super easy. In a bowl, I'm going to add in some flour, brown sugar, cinnamon, chopped pecans, and I'm going to add in some melted butter as needed. We're going to mix all of this together to combine. Alright, we're going to add this delicious streusel topping right on top of our sweet potato mixture. Then we're going to top it with some mini marshmallows. Now if you want to leave those off, you certainly can, but I love them, okay? So I'm going to load it right on up. Alright, we're going to throw this baby in a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the marshmallows are lightly toasted. Alright guys, here we are 15 minutes later. We're all done. We're going to get us a big old scoop of it out and enjoy. Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to cook with me. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you think of this recipe, follow me on all my social medias, and I will see y'all in tomorrow's video. And Cookmas, stay safe.